Okay, so I'm ready to show this off finally. These are a pair of Ecoboost turbos. They're actually for the first gen Ecoboost, late first gen with the blow-off valve mounted on the intercooler. Not that that really matters in this case. This, I believe, is an SPD adapter. This is what adapts the turbo with this ball socket to the rest of the exhaust that runs underneath the truck. Having been in the mechanics field a few years, I despise exhaust studs because most of the time when you try to take them off, they break here, or the nut gets jammed, or the nut just rips the threads off the stud, and it's a nightmare to get these adapters off if you need to, or the rest of the exhaust, or what have you. Enter this flange that I'm working on, prototyping. That surface finish. That's because it's printed on glass. I'm not sure what's up with that bubble. It might have warped on the back. But anyway, that's not important. So you can see you got two spacer studs. One's already broken because I've been trying to pull it out of this turbo and it hasn't let me yet. This flange beveled on the inside, as you can see. Nicely beveled. It's actually a 2 3/4 V-band mock-up. I need to get an actual V-band so I can measure for the alignment lip, because I prefer self-aligning V-bands. The holes are slotted, and I could probably just leave the slotted hole here and bridge these two. That way it stays relatively strong, but I see no reason for that. So, say it's in the truck, you can start a screw on the downward side. I had to use the short screws, pan head, because the regular Allen screw is too tall and it interferes with the flange. So, pan head screw, you could start it in the truck, slip the flange in there, line up the top one, and it just clears. So you can run that in with your Allen wrench. And ta-da! You have a V-band turbo on your Ecoboost. I need to talk to a couple people about having these machined in metal, because obviously plastic is not going to do the job. Excuse me. There's some other design considerations I need to make, like on these ones, it's slanted here, so it goes all the way to the edge of the housing. You can see it right there, actually. That slant there. I don't have that on this yet. It's just an abrupt edge. Spin that around. So I need to take that notch out and bevel this lip here. Make a nice smooth transition. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you're able to help, you have a machine and you're willing to donate some time and do it for relatively cheap, because I don't expect it for free. I expect these to be about $150, $200 a piece, and you need two of them. But yeah, so there's the concept. Check the description below. I've got a link to the shop website, which is currently down, I believe, as well as my Patreon account, Facebook, Instagram. You can see a failed print there. A couple of them. This is probably the best one. Facebook, Instagram. Shoot me a message if you want. Hit up the comments. I enjoy hearing from you guys. Even if we're just shooting the bull. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate your viewership. Thanks for watching.